Hey friends, if you wish to download and install the BGMI game for your PC, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So open google.com, don't go to Bing, open google.com and then search for BGMI download for PC. Go to the first option, okay, and then you can click on download BGMI game for PC. Okay, BGMI basically means Battleground Mobile India. So this is how you can download it. It's not a big game. And then you can click on save as. You can save it. Okay, this is how you can download and install it. It will need a while to download, and then it's a zipped file. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.